Hello everyone. If you are tired of a 9 to 5 grind or are ready to leave a corporate world behind, affiliate marketing might be a perfect way how to start your online business. But one of the biggest challenges is where to focus. In other words, how to pick a niche for affiliate marketing. And today I'm going to show you some simple ways how to pick a niche that can help you to get started on your affiliate marketing journey. So as a first step, you can use the Google Trends. Just type any idea or interest and Google will show you how popular is that topic over time. It is a quick way to see if there is a growing interest in your potential niche. If a trend's going up, it could mean more opportunities for you to make money. Although Google Trends is a great way how to spot a niche, it only shows you the very broad niche. And when starting with affiliate marketing, you want to be specific. So let's jump over to ChatGPT, the AI tool. So we can use this tool to brainstorm a bit. Just go to chatgpt.com, sign up using your email address. It's for free. And ChatGPT is fantastic for generating ideas and exploring different fields. You can type a few of your interests and ChatGPT will give you a list of possible niche ideas. And let's give him a bit more specific prompt, and I want to stay within the household. As you see now, it generates the ideas regarding home cleaning products, kitchen appliances and gadgets, home decor and furnishing, and so on and so forth. It also explains why it's great, some potential products that you can start promote and make an affiliate commissions. But keep in mind that ChatGPT won't give you a data on how a profitable niche is. It's more for inspiration, not for a market research. We can even use Google itself, and by leveraging the Google suggestions, we might come up with some ideas. Coffee machine, and we see that Google gives us the suggestions for office or business. And if you scroll down, and even here there is a section people also ask, and if you click on one question, it expands a bit further. So if you keep clicking on these questions, you will have a list of a lot more questions that people do ask within the Google. So it can give you a bit more content ideas. And talking about the content ideas, the next tool that I'm going to show you is really interesting. If you go to wealthyaffiliate.com, first of all, this is an educational platform for affiliate marketing, but now it offers even AI-powered niche finder tool that makes choosing niche a breeze. You just type a passion, interest, or idea, let's say coffee machines, as we did before, and the tool will analyze and suggest specific profitable niches within that area. So we see that after typing coffee machines, we see espresso machine opportunity ratings is 88 out of 100, single serve coffee machines opportunity ratings 90 out of 100. So basically the ratings gives you a clear picture of a demand, competition, and potential profits in each niche. So once you pick your niche, Wealthy Affiliate doesn't stop here. So once you sign up, you have access to the platform where you can read the blogs, you can get familiar with the platform, and it offers you the step-by-step training on how to select the content ideas within your niche and how to come up with the content on a regular basis. So this is a perfect, especially when you are new in the affiliate marketing business or feeling overwhelmed. Once you go to hubs and go to the hub and training, one of the best features for me is the content ideas and strategies. As a premium member, you get access to a tool that helps you generate specific article topics and plan your content. This is key because once you have your niche, you'll need lots of content to start driving traffic and make money. So if you're looking to leave your 9 to 5 job and start your own affiliate marketing business, these tools and strategies can make the process of picking a niche a lot easier. Google Trends and Google Suggestions are great for initial research. ChatGPT helps with brainstorming, and a Wealthy Affiliate takes things to the next level by helping you narrow down your niche and create a content around it. If you want a step-by-step guide on how to get started, Wealthy Affiliate is a fantastic option, especially with the AI-powered tool and step-by-step training. You can start building a business in a niche you are passionate about, and they'll help you every step of the way. Of course, when you have questions, let me know. I'll be happy to provide you with feedback, and see you in the next video.